Hello students, I hope you all are doing good. In today's class, we will discuss HTML list and join me and be with me till the end of the lecture because in this lecture we will see the introduction of list. Why do we use list in HTML? Its types of HTML and we will see the attributes also. Clear? So let's start the topic. First of all, I always tell you must know about the terms which are used in definition, which are used in topic name. So, list means, for example, we are planning to go to market. We have a list of things which we want to buy. So, in the same way, in HTML, we can create a set of related items in the list. Clear? Now we will see benefits of using list. First one is improved readability. Improved readability means it is easier to read and understand by breaking the large content into just important and small pieces, small chunks. Clear? Second one is structured data. Structure means it's easy way to understand by just looking the things. Clear? So means list provides structured data to present data, structured way to. So list provides structured way to present data and it makes easier for search engine and screen reader to understand. यही मैं बोल रही हूँ ना कि just we will see the content and we will get to know. We don't need to read the whole content there. So semantic meaning says it indicates items are related and should be treated as group, means they are connected to each other. Semantic says I am meaningful, I am relatable. Clear? Fourth one is styling and layout. So ये कैसा लगेगा? ये बहुत स्टाइलिश when we write the content in points, तो ये कैसा लगेगा? काफी अच्छा लगेगा. Like we always suggest to the students, don't attempt your answers in paragraph format. Just make the points and then write in your exam. Clear? Okay. So we will discuss types of list. See, we have three types of list. First one is ordered, second is unordered, and third one is definition list. So in first of all we will discuss about unordered list. Unordered list means there is no order, there is no number, it is represented by bulleted form. Clear? Bulleted कैसा होता है? देखिए, ये देखिए, डॉट से रिप्रेजेंट कर दीजिए आप. ठीक है, आप होलो सर्कल से रिप्रेजेंट कर दीजिए. दीज आर द सिंबल्स रिप्रेजेंट द बुलेटेड लिस्ट टू रिप्रेजेंट द अनऑर्डर्ड लिस्ट. क्लियर? सो unordered list always starts with what is the tag we used for unordered list. So we use angular brackets and we write ul. देखिए, unordered का u and list का l. ठीक है? और we will start it by ul and we will, when we write the list item, so we will write li. list क्या हो जाएगा? li tags बन जाएंगे. ठीक है? So I will just execute. First of all, understand what I have written the syntax here. I have written HTML tag which tells the browser from this point my HTML content is initiating. Clear? So I have used body. I didn't use head and title there. Clear? So without head and title, I just initiated body tag, and in body tag I have used unordered list where I have created list item, and I have used ending tag, and it is completely over. यहाँ क्या हो रहा है, जो भी मेरी अनऑर्डर्ड लिस्ट थी, अनऑर्डर्ड लिस्ट में आई हैव मेंशन 2 subjects there, Python and HTML, and it is representing in bulleted form. Now the second one is, see, the ending list item tags are optional. It will run if you don't use these closing tags there. Second is ordered list. Ordered list is also known as numbered list, where we will assign the numbering there. So ordered list starts with OL, ordered, O for ordered, and L for list. And here in the same way we will write list items, and we will define it by this way. Ordered list li. Okay, this is the format. So I will just do the changes in OL. Clear? So now see the changes. By default it will start from 1, but okay, but we can use its attribute also, and I want to start with capital A. Clear? So now let's check it. देखिए ये कर रहा है ना, एग्जीक्यूट कर रहा है ये, ठीक है. सो आप जो इसके लिए एट्रीब्यूट यूज करेंगे, दैट इज टाइप एट्रीब्यूट, दैट इज टाइप एट्रीब्यूट. और इन टाइप यू कैन मेंशन 1, you can start with 1, you can start with lowercase letter, you can start with A, you can define it by A letter or random letter, you can mention there. So I for lowercase Roman number, and for uppercase simple 1. So this is the way to define the ordered list. Now the important thing is description list. See, description देखो, describe मीनिंग ही बताता है, इसका नेम ही बताता है कि आई एम डूइंग समथिंग डिफरेंट. डिस्क्राइब यानी मैं कुछ डिस्क्राइब करूंगा, ठीक है. आपने मुझे एक हेडिंग दी और उसके बाद मैं उसमें क्या करूंगा, उसके बाद मैं आपको फर्दर कुछ नॉलेज दे रहा हूँ, फर्दर इंफॉर्मेशन मैं आपको बता रहा हूँ. क्लियर? सो इट कंटेन्स अ लिस्ट ऑफ आइटम्स विद डिस्क्रिप्शन ऑफ ईच आइटम. ठीक है, आप जो भी आइटम इसमें ऐड करेंगे, देखिए यहाँ पे हम क्या करते थे, LI तक काम करते थे, बट यहाँ डिस्क्रिप्शन में वी हैव one another tag we will use in description list. Let's see. First we will start it by the DL. ठीक है, यहाँ कंफ्यूज नहीं होना है, DL नेम है तो DL से स्टार्ट करेंगे. देन वी विल यूज इट्स आइटम. ठीक है, आइटम, और या फिर हम क्या बोलेंगे, डेफिनेशन टर्म्स. ठीक है, जो हम एक डेफिनेशन टर्म होता है ना कि व्हाट इज HTML. ठीक है, इन दैट काइंड ऑफ की डेफिनेशन टर्म देंगे, और फिर उसके बाद जो भी हम उसको डिफाइन करेंगे, जो भी हमारी डेफिनेशन होगी वो आएगी हमारी DD में आएगी. किस में आएगी? DD में. ठीक है, तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी विल यूज DL फॉर डेफिनेशन लिस्ट, और फॉर डेफिनेशन टर्म के लिए वी विल यूज DT, और जब हम उसको डिफाइन करेंगे तो क्या बन जाएगा वो, डिस्क्रिप्शन डिफाइन. क्लियर? सो दैट विल बी. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल let's see the example. HTML. Here what I have done, I have created the definition list, and in definition list I will give a term there, and in term I have given Python. Okay, and in DD I will define it further. Okay? What are the chapters there, what are the topics there in Python, data types are there, functions are there, emerging trends, and then I have used some another term which is HTML. In HTML we have discussed elements, we are discussing list. So now we will execute it. See, देखिए Python, और किस वे से आपको रिप्रेजेंट करना है, दिस इज द बाय डिफॉल्ट स्पेस. इन Python I have some detailed content there, and for HTML same I have detailed content there. You can say it can be look like an indexing, जो इंडेक्स पेज होता है ना हमारी बुक्स में, that kind of we can say. Clear? So we have studied all about the list. I hope all the things are clear to you. You can comment me and answer which subject should I start. Should I start with computer fundamental, or should I start with emerging trends, class 11? Okay, so meet you in next class. Bye bye.